In this short video, I will make an empty image by using NumPy library, and then I will make a rectangle by using OpenCV library. So in the first step, I am basically importing OpenCV library, NumPy library, and then make an empty image. Very easy. Just I am using once function, and I am assign shapes, and then unsigned integer 8, basically data type of my image. So if we want to see our image, then very easy, fact key 0. So this actually is an empty image, but I want to make a rectangle inside that image. For that I am here using cv.rectangle, and it asks me some argument. First of all, I am here giving empty image, then point1 basically is the starting point. For instance, we have an image whose size is 308, and so I want to make an image whose starting point basically 50, 50. So 0 to 300 has width and 0 to 300 has height. So 50 somehow here in the middle it actually 150, and here in the middle actually is the 150. So 50 somehow here and 50 somehow here. So the starting point of our rectangle somehow here. So if I give him another point 150, 150, then we will get a second point here 150, 150. So our image somehow look like this. If I draw this image here 50, 50, and 150, 150. Color I am here want to assign white, so I have put it 255. -1 I have put it because I want to color out whole my rectangle. So now we want to see our image. So it is somehow what we are expected here. It look like here. Now if we want to change some basically now I want to change dimension, and now I want to say okay, make my rectangle somehow in this position. It has 250, it has 250, 250, and it may have 150, 30. Okay, now according to our concession, we want, first of all we want to initial point. So initial point 250 somehow here in the width, and 250 in the height basically somehow here. So the initial point, starting point we find here. So for the next point 150 basically in the width is here, but in the depth 30 somehow here. So we have a second point here. So I think our rectangle somehow this kind of. So how can we, now we try to see. I'm changing 250, 250, and for the second dimension I say 150 and 30. Okay, exactly what we are expected. Now basically we are just practicing by making this rectangle, and if you try yourself, that's good. Now basically we are making making any rectangle here. So this rectangle should be according to our point. First we find the initial point. Okay, so initial point basically we have 50 and 50. So 50 this actually somehow 50, and this is a 50, this is a 50. So I find the initial point here. So my second point basically is 250, 250. So for the 250, so one 250 is here and second 250 somehow here. If we say 250 here, so our rectangle somehow made like this. So we just want to see, this is